October 14th, 2024, day 288. Good day, everybody. This is Connor with Honor, your first responder realtor, bringing today's Santa Clarita Real Estate Market Watch. And again, I bring the same level of trust, preparation, and discipline that I did in law enforcement to real estate. Still up early, to bed late, and just like I always did. So let's talk about what's happening in the Santa Clarita real estate market today. 11 coming soon listings, 79 brand new listings have hit the market for sale. 68 properties have encountered price changes. This is something we want to talk about. Also, back on market properties are up again to 27. 27 real estate listings have fallen out of escrow in the last 7 days, not making or completing the cycle. Something else we want to talk about. Active under contract properties 29, pending 46. 59 homes have closed, 4 have expired, 16 have canceled, 10 been put on hold, 3 have been withdrawn from the market. Now, whenever I talk to my sellers, pricing that property is really important right out of the gate. You want to make sure that you have the price set and expectations and everything have been addressed. If you don't, more than likely the buyers are going to overlook your house or could potentially miss it because you're higher than the competition. And buyers are savvy. They're looking at neighborhoods where they understand where those properties are priced. If one's way higher than the traditional price set for no particular reason, then your property probably isn't going to get seen very much or even get an offer. 68 price changes today definitely suggest the market is competitive here in Santa Clarita, and sellers are adjusting to meet buyer expectations. Make sure your listing is positioned strategically. Just as we prepared for any situation in the field, you want to prepare your home thoroughly. You want to have pre-inspections potentially if you can. And also, just like we would clear a house before entry, you definitely want to walk through, maybe not as tactically, but walk through your residence and look for things that might detract or take away from its presentation. One of the things we talk to our sellers about, a pro tip we give them, is basically you want every inch of counter space you possibly can get. In addition, you want every inch of floor space you can possibly get. So if that means taking some massive couch that you really probably shouldn't have bought in the first place and storing it or sticking it in the garage, that might be a better step if in fact that couch is so massive it's difficult to move around in the living room. That definitely detracts from the square footage and it does create a problem. For buyers, think of this market as being on call when an opportunity presents itself. You do need to move quickly in the beginning because sometimes these properties move rather fast. But again, if you go and you don't like it, at least you've gotten it out of the way and you can put that one to rest. But a lot of times people kind of say, well, maybe I'll go see this new listing next weekend that came out today. That could be an issue with you buyers out there because sometimes these properties move pretty quick. We have properties that run the gamut. Some get into escrow within hours. Some get into escrow before they even hit the market for sale during the coming soon listings. That's why it's good to get on that drip or that email system so you see all of those listings that are coming onto the market so you can at least, make it to whether or not you want to see it. And if you're interested, you want to also make sure your agent, just like I do for my clients, is doing a follow-up with that listing agent that's working for the seller, explaining to them your position and how interested you are on this property and see if there's anything that can be done before the property goes active. Overall, the market remains active, but competition is heating up. So whether you're buying or selling, having the right strategy in place is essential. I bring that same thorough preparation and commitment that I had in law enforcement to my role as your first responder realtor. If you have any questions or want to dig deeper into these numbers, reach out to me at any time. I'm Connor McIver, Connor with Honor. I'm defending your real estate interests like I've defended the public's trust since 1990. Stay safe, please. Stay informed, and I'll keep you informed tomorrow with another update. Thank you so much for watching. Be well. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.